Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about dancehall artist Jahshii, whose brother was shot and killed. So let's get into it. I am sourcing this info from Dancehall Mag, and it says 29-year-old laborer or shopkeeper David Messiah Clark, the brother of dancehall entertainer Maliku Clark, popularly known as Jahshii, was shot and killed by unknown gunman in Grand Spen, Kingston during an early morning attack on Saturday. It is so sad that Messiah is dead. He is Jahshii's brother, the one who ran their father's shop. He is a humble youth, nice youth, everybody love him, a Grand Spen resident told Dancehall Mag. Another man was shot and injured during the incident, which the police confirmed happened at about 2 a.m. on Saturday. Messiah worked in Nutsi's shop. Nutsi is also Jahshii's father. He owned the shop and the son ran it for him more time. He is the one who is always there, even at 2 a.m. in the morning. You can't go there and it not open. Nutsi buy the goods, Messiah sell in the shop. Him not involved in nothing. A tragic star. The shop that Messiah worked is owned by Marvin Nutsi Clark. The Constabulary Communication Unit confirmed the shooting but was unable to provide any additional details. Anecdotal reports are that Clark was at his home when a group of criminals went to the location. Several gunshots rang out and the residents summoned the cops and they found Clark's body. He had been shot several times. Grand Spen residents confirmed that the man is the brother of the entertainer, Jahshii. Jahshii family has been under a dark cloud since June of this year when the DJ name surfaced in an investigation regarding the death of businessman Omar Romeo Wright. The born fighter DJ later surrendered himself to the police in the company of his attorneys, King Counsel Peter Champagne and Richard Lynch. He was questioned and released by the cops about the June 7th murder. In July of this year, a motor vehicle by armed men on Constant Spring Road in the vicinity of Marketplace in Upper St. Andrew. 6 men, all members of the entertainer's entourage, were shot and injured. The entertainer reportedly left his birthday event in another car and hence escaped injury. The DJ, who is known for the songs Cream of the Crop, Keep Up, and Born Fighter, has kept a low profile in recent months. So earlier this year, there was an alleged altercation between Romeo and Jahshii's mom, and also a confrontation between Jahshii and Romeo, and then Romeo was later killed. So let's get into that story. It says reports are that Wright was killed on Shortwood Road about 10:40 p.m. on June 7th by armed men. There are reports that Jahshii's mom, who operates a wholesale business in the area, had an alleged altercation with Wright, during which he threw water in her face. It is rumored that Jahshii, whose real name is Maliku Tafari Clark, real Rasta pitney name that, then reportedly argued with Wright about the incident, and Wright was gunned down hours later by persons unknown. However, in an exclusive interview with Jamaica Observer in June, Jahshii's mother, Lorna Henry, categorically denied that any altercation took place between herself and Romeo. As far as she is concerned, both families share and maintain a good relationship, and is said for people to even imply that Jahshii had anything to do with Romeo's murder is all a plot to tear down her son's flourishing music career. So I'm going to say, and this is my opinion, that all of this is stemming from that altercation or alleged altercation, because the mom came out and said that the altercation didn't happen. It was a whole bunch of confusion with her story as far as I'm concerned. But I feel like Jahshii's brother dying have a lot to do with Romeo's death, and that's just what I think. That is my synopsis of this case, of everything that has been going down from Jahshii car getting shoot up, to him surrendering to police for questioning, to people saying that it was about his mom, his brother dying last night. I felt like this is stemming from that, whether they want to admit it or not. I feel like that's where it's coming from, because Jamaica, if you can't catch Kwaku, catch him short. And they probably can't get to Jahshii, so they got to his brother. With that being said, this is very sad, and this continues to be a problem in our society, especially in Jamaica, where killings and revenge killings are always something that is happening. But condolence goes out to Jahshii. I know that this must be super hard for him, and he's probably going through a lot. Stuff like this actually affect men's mental health, and we don't talk about it enough. From everything from him being questioned by police about a murder to him being shot up, I'm sure Jahshii is probably either have some form of PTSD or depression right now, and then having his brother being killed just added on more to his plate. So quite honestly, I hope everyone that's around him give him nothing but positive vibes and good energy, and pay attention to him and make sure he's safe. And condolence goes out to that family. And I'm gonna end this video here. Live life like it's your last, because nothing is promised. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.